Our teacher told us a story and it created an impact in me. He said there was a king, and in his kingdom, one Brahmin, he committed a sin, a crime. So the king thought that I cannot punish this priest because he is a Brahmin, he is a priest, and he has committed a crime, but the punishment has to be given. So he was brought to a room, and the king said, you have a choice. In one corner, there was a bottle of alcohol. Another corner, there was a big dagger, the knife. Another corner was the gomans, the beef. And in another corner was a girl of his daughter's age. He said, either any of the punishment you pick up. One punishment is you consume alcohol. If you don't like, then another punishment is the dagger is there, you commit suicide. Another punishment is that this beef is there, you eat the beef. Or another punishment is that this young girl, you have sex with her. So that Brahmin started thinking that committing suicide is a sin, eating beef is a sin, unpardonable sin, committing sex with a girl of your daughter's age is a sin. But I think nowhere in the Shastras written consuming alcohol is a sin. So I think I'll consume alcohol. He started, and after he drank, his body, his cells, because then his consciousness is overpowered by that bottle. Then any alcoholic, you can ask which consciousness is he living in? The human consciousness, animal consciousness. A Shiva yogi will say, no, he is living in a bottle consciousness. Because it is now the bottle is guiding him. So that alcohol said, drink more, drink more. After he drank, neither he remained a human being, nor he remained as an animal. He became a zombie. He felt hungry. And then he said, I have to eat. And the beef was lying there. Now, he has no senses. He does not know what is he doing. He is worse than an animal. He ate that beef. After he ate that, he had the sudden surge of desire for having sex. And that small girl went on crying, screaming. He did not hear. He had sex with her. In the morning, when that effect of alcohol vanished, he saw what he had done. He was so ashamed that he had no choice left. He picked up the dagger and committed suicide. So there were 4 punishments. He was to pick up one, and the one which he felt is the smallest one, that intake of alcohol, made him receive all the 4 punishments. So I will request all Shiva yogis. People ask me whether we should take non-veg, we should take veg. The first thing is, you must have control on your consciousness. Then you talk to me. And this control on consciousness will come when you will abandon, if you are taking alcohol, leave that. Because at initial stage, a person, human being drink alcohol, and at a later age, the alcohol drink a human being. Because then it gets established in cells. The toxins they establish in the cells, in the liver. And after that, if a person leaves the alcohol, he gets withdrawal symptoms, which is horrible. I'll request, create a willpower and Shiv Yoga will help you.